Finding the motivation to exercise can be hard sometimes. Okay, for some of us, it's really hard. A home gym setup eliminates the excuse of not having time to get to the gym. But exercise machines, especially treadmills, are often large and bulky, which won't mix well with your routine if you're tight on space. Folding treadmills are a game changer in that they offer the same quality and sturdiness as other treadmills but without as big as a footprint. Hello guys, today in this video we are going to help you find out the best folding treadmill in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to see their price and out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 1. Echelon Fitness Stride. You'll need a second set of hands to get this treadmill into your space, but it's fully assembled out of the box, which is wonderful. All we had to do was plug it in and attach the safety key, and we were up and running, well, walking, in just minutes. The treadmill unfolds just by pulling on the top, and it folds up by itself, so it's super easy to adjust on your own. Moving it, however, is a different story. You might be able to roll it a few feet on your own, but we found turning it a real chore for just one person, which is true for most of the other treadmills we tested, as well. We recommend keeping this treadmill not far from where you plan on using it, or else you'll get in your cardio workout just trying to set it up. Number 2. Xterra Fitness TR Folding. The Xterra Fitness TR Folding treadmill only required simple assembly, just the two side rails must be attached. The app allows you to connect to the treadmill via Bluetooth to access programs and workout metrics. You can also set up individual profiles, then create fitness goals, such as how many times per week you want to exercise and how many calories you aim to burn. It also tracks your metrics to see weekly trends that will motivate you to keep working toward your goals. The treadmill is rather basic in operation, but the LCD screen will walk you through how to do it anyway. It's easy to adjust the speed and inclines on the sidebars. There are 12 preset programs, and it also connects to third-party apps for virtual training. We found the treadmill to have a durable construction. It holds up to 250 pounds, with a smooth belt. There's a knob that makes folding and unfolding quite easy. It folds up rather compactly, so it won't take up a huge footprint in between workouts. Wheels make it simple to move this around your space. Number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness. Another affordable foldable treadmill. This pick from Sunny Health and Fitness is a great machine for walking and jogging, particularly if you're tight on space. You'll also find a console with a digital monitor, pulse sensors, dual water bottle holders and more. You'll be able to track metrics like time, distance, speed and calories on the LCD screen. This option comes with 9 built-in programs and also features a manual incline that you can adjust to 3 unique heights, though you can upgrade to a model with automatic incline for an extra cost. It folds upright like many models and features a soft drop hydraulic mechanism which the company says is designed to help the deck gently lower itself to the floor. Easy to use and folds up pretty small, one reviewer said. Number 4. Walking Pad Folding Treadmill. You may be in need of something super compact for your studio apartment or small home gym space. If so, this pick from Walking Pad may appeal to you. Designed as a standing desk treadmill, this ultra-slim and compact treadmill folds in half and can be easily stored under your couch or bed when not in use. Although Walking Pad offers other models that include a handrail and need to be stored upright, this P1 model keeps it very compact. The treadmill comes with a wireless remote control where you can do everything from accelerating and decelerating speed to monitoring time, mileage, calories and more. You can lightly jog on this model up to only 3.5 miles per hour, but our experts say the P1 is best for leisurely walking. It also does not have any incline capabilities, but we appreciate that it provides an easy and compact solution for those wanting to walk indoors. Number 5. 3G Cardio Elite Runner. Few treadmills made for use at home will deliver the kind of quiet performance that the 3G Cardio Elite Runner treadmill delivers. It's made for tall or heavy runners looking for a tough workout, but you'll pay more than $3,000 for the kind of quality that this 3G cardio unit delivers. It has an OrthoFlex shock suspension system to minimize the stress of impact for runners, and the 22 by 62-inch platform is perfect for running. The 3G cardio comes with many pre-programmed workouts and a fitness level test. You have access to speed and elevation settings, heart rate control, and workout customization. This treadmill also has a 4.0 horsepower motor and 3-inch rollers for great performance. As you would expect with a treadmill with such a high price point, the 3G Cardio Elite consists of thick steel tubing in the frame. It's also rather expensive, so this is really only for serious runners who want a treadmill that will last a lifetime.